Let's go, boss up, baby. We back with another great video. I want to talk about some gig apps. Yes, some gig apps that I'm rolling around doing right now. Some gig apps that you guys absolutely need to have downloaded on your phone to get rolling, to make some money this season, to make some extra money, side income, or possibly replace your 9-to-5 income with these gig apps. So the first one I'm going to discuss today is Roadie. Yes, Roadie, R-O-A-D-I. D-I-E, Roadie. So yeah, that Roadie app, been around for a while, not new, but they do have an updated version where they are now batching orders, and they are taking a lot more larger orders. So if you have a van or box truck, a lot more money for you. If you have an SUV or a car, there's still a lot of orders for you to take with Roadie. Now, you know, of course, a lot of orders are not the most high paying, but with the new batching system, you can kind of plan your route and go a couple of miles in one direction and make the pay worth your while. All right, so you know I'm gonna keep it real with you. Of course, not all these apps going to pay you the most money, but if you hit the ground running, some other YouTubers, they out here at 5 o'clock in the morning, 6 o'clock in the morning, 7 o'clock. A lot of these apps started loading up their orders and their deliveries around 7:30. So you need to be up and out the door with the app turned on close to these stores around that time to get rolling. All right, so the next one is going to be Delivered. D-I-L-V-I. It's kind of spelled kind of weird, but I'm going to put the icon so you can see what it looks like and how it's spelled and where to go download that app. But the Delivered app, you know, delivering food, you know, meal prep meals for people, all as well as you know, some parcels, some items, things need to be delivered, some mom and pop shops, some large retail stores like Best Buy. A couple of them use Delivered to get orders out there. So any size vehicle works with Delivered. So I want you to try that one. Delivered. You know, I get straight to the point. I'm not going to make you watch the whole video, go through all this stuff and get the information. But I do want you to watch, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. You know, I'm always giving you guys free content, free great information to help you level up and get up out that 9-to-5 rat race. You feel me? And then the last one, the last gig app I'm going to talk to you about today is Dispatch. Yes, Dispatch. Now this one is, most of the larger loads are for cargo vans. They do some solar panels, some you know, TVs and stuff in there, but they do have some smaller orders that you can put in your car and SUV as well. But for bulk of those orders, most of the money orders are in the cargo van and box truck space. But still, download Dispatch. You will find some smaller orders that pay very, very well, and sometimes they stick some catering stuff on there as well. So you might want to try that one. The Dispatch app, that's how it's spelled right there, Dispatch. You see it, all right? So we in and out. 3 gig apps in less than 3 minutes. Go ahead, download them, get signed up. Don't worry about the background check. Please get one order, at least pay for that background check. But if you don't got the money, I understand. There's plenty of more apps out there that do not charge a background fee, do not charge a fee to sign up, and are higher in your area. But in large cities, in most large cities, this stuff is oversaturated. These gig apps have thousands of people waiting, itching to get in line to get these orders. So the smaller your market sometimes is better for you. That's a little gem. Sometimes you might have to venture outside these larger cities to these secondary cities to get some of these orders. I know I was looking at a podcast, Steve, Rideshare Rodeo, check his channel out. He had the actual CEO of Delivered. I believe he might have been the vice president, but he had one of the top executives from the app Delivered, and he was saying that they are going after more secondary markets, more kind of smaller markets like Savannah instead of Atlanta, if you're in Georgia. Georgia. What else? Kind of outside of Philadelphia, Reading, I think some cities he was saying. So like semi-small markets can work better for you in this season. So going to those areas, getting the deliveries, getting rolling. It can be only maybe extra 100 miles from your house, but you can make an extra $200-300 going that far. It may be worth it. If you really want to do this, really want to get this biz, want to get out here rolling, all right, man. It's your boy K. Hit that like button, hit the subscribe button. Leave me a comment. Let me know where you watching this from. Let's connect. Let's build. Shoot me a message on social media, Instagram or TikTok. If you got any questions about courier work, I'll answer a simple, quick question. No problem. But if you want me for an hour, we could do an hour-long consultations for $50. We can talk about business credit, personal credit, get you a cargo van, finding routes in your area, the do's and don'ts and the needs of medical courier work. What all you need to have. Is a cargo van even worth it? Let's talk about it. Hit me up. Credit K on all social medias. Boss up, baby. Have a good weekend.